lately I've been loving to do my foundation before eyeshadow, but today I'm going to do my eyeshadow first. So I'm going to use the Revolution Soph palette, and this is what she looks like on the inside. I have several looks using this palette, and I am going to use that today because I want to rock these accessories from Soph's Creations. Like, how pretty. It's got like pinks and a bit of purple in there. It's just so pretty. So I'm inspired to do a pinky purple look today. So let's go. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to prime my eyes, and I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour Concealer. I'm going to set it with some loose powder. So I did one eye off camera. We're going to do the second eye together. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in my crease with this color, and this is from the Chocolate Orange palette. And then from the Soph palette, I'm going to use this shade. Oops, where is it? This shade on my brow bone. And then from the Soph palette, I'm going to go in and blend this color and this color in my crease. And then I'm going to go in with this shade and this shade also in my crease. Next thing I'm going to do is cut the crease, and I'm going to use the same concealer, and I'm going to just place a little bit on my lid, and I'll just gently just put on my eye a little bit so I can see the crease line. Next I'm going to apply this purple on my lid. Because I want a little bit of purple to kind of shift through. That's why I'm placing it on the entire lid, and then I'm going to place some shadows on top of it. Next I'm going to place this shade, this lilac-y purple shade, on top of the purple in my inner corner. And then I'm going to place this pink shade right next to it. So next I'm going to move on to the rest of my face, and then I'll come back to my eyes. So the next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to color correct, and I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution HD palette. I am almost out of that orange, but I'm going to use it anyway because I've still got a little bit left. And all I'm doing is color correcting the dark areas in my face that will just end up looking gray underneath the foundation. And then I'm going to go ahead and blend that out using my sponge, my beauty blender. Next I'm going to use the same concealer to conceal my dark imperfections. How many of you guys use this concealer? I use it a lot, and I must tell you, like, the thing runs out faster than you can say hello. Like, literally, before I know it, I'm out of it, and I need to get another one. I know it's £4, but damn, it's like purchasing one every 2 weeks or every other week. Yeah, every 2 weeks. The struggle. So next, I'm just going to use the F12 to highlight my area. And then I'm going to use the F14 to contour. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my face using the Makeup Revolution banana powder, and I'm just gonna use my sponge. Next, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Sugar and Spice Blush Palette. I keep forgetting how pigmented this palette is. Like, hella pigmented. Next, I'm going to apply my lashes off camera, and I'm going to be using the LePage Trends Jasmina lashes. I've used them before, and this is what they all look like. Very pretty. So I'm just going to wait for my lashes to fully dry and then I'll flick it up. In the meantime, I'm going to go in with my highlighter, and I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Ultra Pro Glo highlight. And I'm going to be using a combination of shades, but I think I'm going to use the pink, actually, now that I changed my mind. And I will be doing that with this brush. I think I'll start with the pink. So this is the finished look. My nails, you can see, my accessories, my makeup, all matches and looks really pretty. So yeah, this is the finished look using Makeup Revolution products. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I also did a first impression review of the Fast Base Makeup Revolution fast-based foundation, so make sure you check that out. I'll leave the link in the description box below, and if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Please check out my mom's accessory business, because the accessories are sponsored by her to use for this fabulous video, and her website will be here. Please have a look, shop till you drop, look fabulous. Like, I feel expensive, like, what? It's so freaking pretty. Who wants to invite me to a wedding, a birthday, anything? Like, I feel like I need to go out, but I'm going to wash my face. But anyway, so yeah, please make sure you check out my mom's accessories business. A link will be left in the description box as well. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you follow me on my social media network, and make sure you stay till the end. I've got a couple more videos to show you guys if you're interested. Either way, I'll catch you guys in a future video.